Hey guys, Nick here. Welcome back to another round. This is round 3 and this is the last round of hide and seek or block hunt, whatever you want to call it. And today here with Sam again, round 3. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this.
I'm a bookshelf.
I am an ANVIL. I am dead. Seeker's coming to find you. You are never
A
gonna.
beacon is trying to go on top of me.
Well, I'm just gonna camp.
Oh no, this is a bad hiding spot. You know, I'm gonna hide here.
I'm just gonna camp here.
Oh no, 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 please, please. Please, Seeker. I'm a big fan. Don't kill me.
Did you hear that?
I didn't hear anything.
Okay, great. Because the background noise. It's so annoying. Oh my gosh. Oh, I found a perfect spot. Oh my gosh. I found a perfect spot for this.
Sir Sheepster.
Oh, no, I'm dead. I'm dead. Great. Thank you. Thank
I
you.
see you.
Notch. Sam, what block are you again?
I'm a bookshelf.
Okay, tell me when I'm getting like very close to you. Just like warmer, so it's gonna be fun. Okay. You're a bookshelf. Nope. Are you at spawn? Are you near spawn?
Yeah. I see you running downstairs. Oh, crap.
You see me running?
You went up and downstairs.
You see
I'm
me
one
running?
level below you.
Oh. Okay, I'm going to go down here. Over here?
Yeah, that layer.
Okay.
But you're on the other side.
Oh, okay.
Crap.
Don't run, or that I will find you more.
Oh.
Which one?
Oh, no. Seeker's coming after me. Seeker's coming after me.
Yes! I'm the nice Sam!
Aww.
Yes! What, huh? What, huh? You gained
Did
20
you kill
points.
me?
You gained 20 points from killing Sam. Evil Sam.
Ah.
It's okay. You make mistakes.
I memorized this map. About.
Okay.
Okay, that guy's dead.
Oh wait, he's dead. Never mind.
Those people who have no idea where to hide, they're always hiding in the water.
Yeah, I know, right? Just like...
Hey, dude.
Oh, whoa, whoa. Hey. Oh, die. Okay, you're not...
Kind of block. What? It's
No, that's a real block. I said that is not. Okay, you are not a real block. Okay, never mind.
They're usually hiding under the ladders, you know. Where's their nether star?
Can you be redstone lamp? I don't think so. So no use.
You can buy the block.
Oh crap. Okay, you're very hard to find.
I see a block. I see a block of this guy.
Kill it.
2 blocks.
Okay, no hiders can win. The seekers has to win.
I'm gonna surprise attack this.
That looks suspicious.
2 blocks. Woo! Die, dude!
Where are you?
Yay! I killed a beacon.
Okay.
Wooden block went YOLO. I'm gonna get that guy. An anvil went YOLO.
So many people got YOLO. YOLO.
Oh my gosh, those blocks are teaming up. I'm gonna take those guys one by one. I'm gonna take down the anvil. Oh no, please don't go after me. Please don't go after me. Please. Oh my gosh, they're ping-ponging me everywhere. Okay, I separated one guy from the group.
Great. Oh, okay. Nope, no blocks is found here. No. Okay. Oh my gosh, there's 2 blocks.
If you would, are you on a boat?
Nope. Ah, it's so stupid. He
Yes.
killed you.
That guy's cornered. That guy's cornered. That's the only way in, and that's the only way out. This guy's cornered. This guy's dead. Die, dude! Yeah, boy. Easy.
Oh my gosh, there's block. Come on, man.
I killed 2 people. The one was an accident.
Ah, GG. I hate you. Okay, so guys, this was the last round of the. Oh my gosh! This was the last round of hide and seek. First episode for me. Check out Sam's channel. He's a really cool guy. And don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and favorite it down and comment below. What should we do next? Okay, Sam, say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Peace.